Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards. On the left, we have the MSI B550-A Pro Series, and on the right, we have the GIGABYTE B550M AM4. So buckle up and get ready for some serious motherboard madness. Let's kick things off with the price. The MSI B550-A Pro Series comes in at $139, while the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 is a steal at just $99. Now, I don't know about you, but I love saving some extra cash for those late-night pizza cravings. So point goes to GIGABYTE for being easy on the wallet. Moving on to processor support, both motherboards have some impressive compatibility. The MSI B550-A Pro Series supports 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors and future AMD Ryzen processors with a BIOS update. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 supports a wide range of Ryzen processors, including the latest Ryzen 5000 series. It's like having a VIP pass to the processor party. GIGABYTE takes the win in this category. When it comes to memory, both motherboards offer dual-channel DDR4 support. However, the MSI B550-A Pro Series takes it a step further, allowing you to go all the way up to a whopping 128 gigabytes at an impressive 4,400 MHz. That's like having a memory palace fit for a tech genius. MSI wins this round with its memory prowess. Now let's talk connectivity. The MSI B550-A Pro Series comes packed with PCIe 4.0, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2. It's like having a superhighway of data transfer speeds. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 offers PCIe 4.0 x 16 slots, dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 or 3.0 x 4 M.2 connectors, and a Realtek GBE LAN chip. It's like having a networking party in your motherboard. This round is a tie, as both motherboards bring their A-game in terms of connectivity. Now let's dive into power and thermal performance. The MSI B550-A Pro Series features Core Boost technology, optimized power circuit layouts, and digital power regulation. It's like having a personal power wizard ensuring your CPU gets the precise and steady current it needs. On the other side, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 boasts a sturdy power design with 4+2 phases digital twin power design and low RDS-on MOSFETs. It's like having a fortress protecting your precious components. This round is a tie, as both motherboards bring their A-game in terms of power and thermal performance. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make a motherboard stand out. The MSI B550-A Pro Series comes with Audio Boost, delivering studio-grade sound quality for an immersive gaming experience. Plus, it has a premium thermal solution with a heatsink thermal pad and a PCB with 2 ounces thickened copper. Talk about keeping your system cool and sounding awesome. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 offers fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion 2.0, Smart Fan 5, and Q-Flash Plus for easy BIOS updates. It's like having a disco party inside your PC. This round is a tie, as both motherboards bring unique features to the table. The MSI B550-A Pro Series and the GIGABYTE B550M AM4 both have their own strengths. If you're on a budget and want solid performance, GIGABYTE might be your go-to option. But if you're looking for top-notch memory support and audio quality, MSI has got you covered. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the MSI B550-A Pro Series and the GIGABYTE B550M AM4, and they both have their own strengths. If you're on a budget and want solid performance, GIGABYTE might be your go-to option. But if you're looking for top-notch memory support and audio quality, MSI has got you covered. As always, you can find the links to both products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic showdowns like this. Stay smart and happy shopping.